My very favorite style era is Edwardian, and in the past I have used a big kind of hair rat donut thing to create the Gibson girl silhouette. Oh my goodness, I'm wearing the same dress! This is from a couple years ago. So yesterday I was watching an old Rachel Maxey video, and she did a much simpler. Sorry, I don't have a good place to put my camera, but I'm moving soon, so hopefully I can find a better way to do this. But she had a simpler way of doing that kind of voluminous Edwardian style. So I'm trying it out. So let's see, I'm tilting my head forward and gonna create kind of a ponytail. I'm doing a little bit of a twist to hold it in place, which will probably make it have less of the volume, but basically gonna push down. And not bad, not bad at all. Okay, so I'm going to put some spin pins in here and then do some kind of random bun with the rest of my hair. Let me put in some regular bobby pins. Don't often use those, but I'm not sure how well this style is going to hold up, so I'll have to report back on that because I will be wearing it the rest of today if it survives. Oh, this came out actually really nice. I like it. It's very simple. Yeah.